Hello darlings, this is Sewing Julie and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a quick and very easy technique on how to neatly finish overlock seams, securing so that they don't fall apart. For this technique you will need an embroidery needle which has a much larger eye than regular sewing needle and also which is very dull, so it will be able to slide through that overlock seam. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you liked it, please hit that like button. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my new sewing videos. Thank you again for watching, and I wish you a wonderful and creative day ahead. Bye!